Hello children, today we are going to start class 7 geography chapter number 1 on page number 13. So before starting, write the date, that is 19th October 2020. Okay, first we have choose the correct options. Which of the following is not a natural landform? That is domicile. A landform surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. Okay. Fill in the blanks. The four oceans on the earth are Pacific, 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 Atlantic, 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 Arctic, 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 and Indian, Indian, Indian. Okay, children. Next, Gadi, Bakarwal, and Bhutia tribes of the Himalaya resides there in dash season, summer, SUMMER, summer. A dash is the area where river flows along with its tributaries. River basin, RIVER, river, BASIN, basin, river basin. A stream of water flowing naturally on the land is known as river, RIVER, river. Now children, from question number 3 to question number 8 you have to do in copy. Okay children, I will be giving you the answers. Okay, you have to write the questions from your textbook and the answers I am giving you. Okay, so first one, this third answer is following point shows the importance of biosphere. Biosphere is a huge system that works together to support life on the earth. The biosphere includes all living organisms and also dead organic matter. Different organisms can exist at different places in the biosphere. B. The biosphere constitutes the global ecosystem that includes all the life existing on the earth and their interactions and relationship with the elements of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Answer number 4. Environment is the surrounding where an organism lives, whereas ecosystem is the interaction between the environment and the organisms. Coming to the answer number 5. The feeding relationship between different living things in a particular environment or habitat is called the food chain. In order to move, grow and survive, plants and animals depend on each other. For example, the food chain in forests, plants are eaten by herbivores like rabbit, deer and giraffes. These herbivores are further consumed by carnivores like lions, tigers and wolves. When the living things die, they decompose and become a part of nutrients present in the soil. These nutrients in turn help the plants to grow well. This is a simple food chain. Answer number 6. In order to maintain balance in environment, we should save natural resources such as water and minerals, create awareness regarding environment protection, support afforestation, not kill animals. Answer number 7. An area of land surrounded by water on all four sides is called an island. An island can be located in river, lakes, seas and oceans and is an attractive tourist destination. Andaman and Nicobar Island are an example of islands situated in the Bay of Bengal. The continent of Australia is an island. Islands are usually formed due to volcanic activities. A large group of islands close to each other form an archipelago. The Lakshadweep Islands are an example of an archipelago. The largest archipelago in the world is Indonesia, where Majulia Island in Assam is the largest riverine island in the world. Answer number 8. There are two types of plains, coastal plains and inner plains. Plains are best suited for agriculture activities, construction of roads and railways. These factors have led to setting up and expansion of cities and towns on plains. So children, this was your question and answers. Now do the book work in the textbook and the question answers in your notebook. Okay children, now we are going to do the additional questions for practice. So only the MCQ and the fill in the blanks and true false we are going to do right now. Okay, first is the multiple choice questions. Which component of biosphere includes soil and rocks? That is lithosphere. B point. What does ecological balance describe? Stable ecosystem. C point. Which of the following landforms is well populated because its soil and terrain are good for farming? They are plains. B point. The stream of water that flows on the surface of earth is known as river. C point. Okay. It was on page number 13. Coming to the page number 14, we have fill in the blanks. Many seas form large bodies of water known as oceans. OCEANS, oceans. In a food chain, there are dash and dash, producers and consumers. PRODUCERS, producers, consumers. CONSUMERS, consumers. Dash is a community of living and non-living things that coexist with one another. Answer is ecosystem. ECOSYSTEM. The process of plants preparing their own food is known as photosynthesis. PHOTO, photo. SYNTHESIS, photosynthesis. True and false. Human activities contribute to the disruption of natural balance of an ecosystem. It is true. All living organisms derive energy from the sun, water and air. False. A food chain always starts with a consumer and organism that consumes food. That is false. The highest form of landform on the earth's surface is the mountain. It is true. Now, very short answer questions, short answer questions and long questions we are going to do in the next class. So children, complete your book work on page number 13 and page number 14 and the notebook work, the question answers which I have given you. So, thank you.